Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to leave a community group on WhatsApp. Whether you're looking to declutter your chat list or simply no longer wish to be a part of a specific group, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Communities tab located at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to access the community groups you're a part of. Next, tap on the community that the group you want to leave belongs to. From there, select the specific group you wish to exit. Once you're in the group chat, tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, tap on Group Info. This will bring you to a page with information about the group, including its members and settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see an option that says Exit Group. Tap on this option. A confirmation message will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to exit the group. Confirm your decision by tapping Exit once again. And just like that, you've successfully left the community group on WhatsApp. And there you have it. That's how you can easily leave a community group on WhatsApp. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on using WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and see you next time.